अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मैं अहमद जलाल आज आप लोगों के लिए एक बहुत थ्रिलिंग मैच लेके आया हूं जो कि खेला गया था यूसीपी और सुपीरियर यूनिवर्सिटी के दरमियान। आई वॉज रिप्रेजेंटिंग यूसीपी एंड यासिर अली वॉज रिप्रेजेंटिंग सुपीरियर यूनिवर्सिटी लाहौर। लव ऑल प्ले एंड द पॉइंट्स आर 1 लव। It went out, just missed the line. The points are 2 love. A very easy shot missed by Ahmed Jalal. The points are 1-2. Again an error by Ahmed Jalal. The points are 2-all. Three, 2. At this point of the match, Yasir Ali was dominating the net region. 4-2. Oh, it just clipped the line. The points are 3-4. Again, Yasir Ali dominating the net region. The points are 5-3. Service over 4-5. A very fast cross match by Ahmed Jalal. The points were 5-all at the time. Now the points are 6-5. This rally was won by Yasir Ali. The points are 6-5 at the moment. A desperate attack by Ahmed Jalal and it went out of the line. The points are 7-5. Again, a body directed smash by Ahmed Jalal. The points are 6-7. It went out from the side and Ahmed Jalal missed a very lethal cross drop. The points are 8-6. Oh, he anticipated Yasir Ali's cross drop at the net. 7-8. It's back at level 8-all. Cross lob missed by Ahmed Jalal. 9, 8. Nine all. Yasir Ali didn't judge it well and it fell well inside. The points are 10-9. It's 11-9 at interval. Now I'll discuss the most catching aspects of the game. Yasir Ali's major point taking strategy is to attack, attack and attack. And same goes with me, Ahmed Jalal. My favorite and the most point taking technique is to attack and finish the point as soon as possible. As you all can see in the game that both the players love to attack. So attacking is their most prioritized game. Now let's see what happens after the interval. The points are 11-9. Reminding you guys that this is a practice match between UCP Lahore and Superior University Lahore. Let's continue. "12-9. Oh, a very fast body smash by Yasir Ali. 10-12 and a change of shuttle. It is normal that we check shuttle before after taking a new shuttle, so it has become a habit of checking the shuttle. A desperate smash by Yasir Ali straight into the net. Ahmed Jalal extending his lead to 13-10 in the first set. Oh, a great net by Ahmed Jalal, and the points are 14-10. Oh, a deception at the net, as I told you before that he was dominating the net region. So the points are 11-14. Missed cross drop by Yasir Ali. The points are 15-11. A desperate move by me, Ahmed Jalal, and it went out. The points are 12-15. (16-11). (17-11). Oh, out of the court. Points are 13-11. Sorry, 13-17. A great attack by Ahmed Jalal. Across attack. extending his lead to 18-13. At this moment, what I was thinking is to just attack and keep the game in my hand and finish it as quickly as possible. The points are 19-13. So 7 game point opportunities for Ahmed Jalal. 20-13. The first game is won by Ahmed Jalal. The score was 21-13. Thank you viewers for watching the match. Do enjoy, like, share